This is more than just a magazine, it's a movement. Welcome to Hands in Inclusion Philippines. We are a community of volunteers that promote the proper inclusion of people with disabilities in the Philippines. We share their stories to help PWDs become accepted in society as individuals and help them live as equals, if not a functioning part of the community. Hands in Inclusion Philippines, HNI, is an organization that is committed to fostering diversity, promoting equality, ensuring equity, embracing inclusion, raising mental health awareness, advocating for HIV awareness, and empowering persons with disabilities, PWD. Through our collaborative efforts, we strive to create a society that celebrates uniqueness, provides equal opportunities, dismantles barriers, supports mental well-being, educates about HIV, and champions the rights of PWD. HNI was founded by Mr. Roylan Marlang, Pasayanyo, a self-advocate with autism last March 8, 2017. This initiative started as Inclusion in Action. His agenda was to unite and educate both citizens and netizens about PWD inclusion via the core values of Hands in Inclusion. Our goal is to be able to reach out to proper channels of the government and private sectors to give aid and support to those who deserve this help. Our vision is to protect and uplift PWDs towards an independent and fulfilling life. Our mission is to protect and improve the livelihood of PWDs through public awareness, training programs, and outreaches while embodying Filipino core values towards PWDs. These are our core values. First, faith, emphasizing the importance of spiritual or belief systems as a foundation for creating a harmonious society. Second, compassion, promoting empathy and kindness towards others, recognizing and respecting diverse beliefs and experiences. Third, integrity, upholding honesty and accountability in actions and communications to build trust within the community. Fourth, inclusivity, advocating for the inclusion and representation of all voices, particularly those of often overlooked sectors of society. Last, empowerment, focusing on uplifting individuals and communities, enabling them to take action and make positive changes for a better future. HNI is committed to educating the public. We aim to raise awareness and understanding of diversity, equality, equity, mental health, HIV, and the rights of persons with disabilities. We provide educational resources and engage in proactive dialogue to challenge stereotypes, biases, and stigmas. Advocating for change. We actively advocate for policies, laws, and practices that promote diversity, equality, and inclusion at all levels of society. We work with stakeholders, communities, and decision-makers to drive systemic change and create an inclusive environment for all. Fostering inclusion. We strive to create inclusive spaces where individuals feel welcome, respected, and valued. We organize events, workshops, and initiatives that bring diverse communities together, fostering dialogue, understanding, and collaboration. Supporting mental health. We prioritize mental health awareness and support, providing resources, workshops, and guidance to promote mental well-being, reduce stigma, and ensure that individuals have access to the necessary support systems. Promoting HIV awareness. We actively work to raise awareness about HIV, AIDS, provide accurate information, and support individuals affected by the virus. We aim to combat discrimination, reduce stigma, and ensure access to appropriate health care and support services. Empowering persons with disabilities. We advocate for the rights, inclusion, and empowerment of persons with disabilities. We collaborate with disability organizations, provide support services, and work towards creating an inclusive society that respects the abilities and contributions of all individuals. Here are our achievements. Angels Walk for Autism 2024 participation. Embracing neurodiversity, cultivating, understanding and empathy for autism. Marked as safe. A mental health webinar to survive the digital age. A better ADHD. FSL. Unleashing the power of communication. Our organizations and media guestings. Manilde, November 18, 2019. Ateneo Speed, December 8, 2020. Teleradio Servicio/DZMM Teleradio, November 29, 2024. Our outreach event, Kasama Ka, November 22, 2025. HNI is currently an inclusive community of both PWDs and non-PWDs. Strong alliances between Hands in Inclusion and other NGOs, institutions promoting inclusion. Fundraiser for its formality, raising PHP 70,000 to 100,000 donations by October 2027. According to the Equality and Human Rights Commission, disabled people have been left frustrated and trapped by a chronic shortage of suitable housing. Inclusive education is a learning environment where children with and without disabilities are taught together, as equals. Healthcare is also important to persons with disabilities. Some PWDs are struggling to find their medical benefits. Here are our merchandises. All proceeds coming from these merchandises will go to the livelihood training programs of HNI. These clothings aren't just clothes but advocacy wear. With every shirt you wear, it's a life that you helped save. Let us build a better future for Filipino diversity and inclusion. Tatag, Puso, Inclusivo. Follow us on our social media profiles and contact us. Inclusion is for all, we just need to get all of our hands in and our hearts open. All we need is kindness. This was Hands in Inclusion Philippines.